Perplexity has launched video creation feature. Yeah, you heard that right. Now you can create videos directly in Perplexity and it's as simple as shooting a balloon. But before going into video creation process, let's talk about some limitations and key points. Right now only one video creation model is available and it's Google's View 3 and it's selected by default by the Perplexity. If you are a Perplexity Pro subscriber, your video will be generated in standard quality and in 1280 by 720 resolution at 24 fps. For the Pro subscribers, video will be generated using VO3 fast mode, and if you are paying $200 for Max subscription, your video will be generated in high quality using VO3 high quality mode, but again your resolution will be 1280 by 720p. Well, all videos are 8 seconds long and in landscape 16 by 9 ratio and with automatically generated audio. And right now you cannot change any of these options. Pro subscribers will be able to generate 5 videos per month and the Max subscribers will be able to create 15 videos per month. Well, the free ones will be able to generate unlimited videos, but their method is a bit tricky. So we will discuss it later in this video. That's it from intro. Let's head over to video creation process. To generate video directly in Perplexity, head over to perplexity.ai and remember you should have a paid account to use to create videos in Perplexity. So when you are on home page of Perplexity, just go to input tab and write your prompt. After writing your prompt, hit enter and Perplexity will generate an enhanced version of your prompt which is right here. And now it will take about 1 to 3 minutes to create the video. Well, here you can see our video is generated successfully. You can simply play it from here. You can download or share it directly from Perplexity. So let's play. The quality is good because it's using View 3 and I would say I'm happy with the generation. Now let's see how we can create videos from images. First of all, import your image. You can see I have imported an image of cat right here. Now I am going to give it same prompt again. Now it has processed our attached file and now it will create video using our image. Our video is generated successfully. Now let's see. This was the image which I have imported and this is the video. You can see the eyes and the fluff of this cat and here again everything is pretty much same and I will now play the video. And you can see this is really amazing. The cat is completely the same just as image and I'm pretty much satisfied with the result. Free users can make unlimited videos by tagging Perplexity on x.com, which is formerly known as Twitter. You just need to post a tweet or a reply and write Ask Perplexity with your video generation prompt. And your generated video will be posted as reply under that tweet within next 10 minutes. Remember, this time can be different depending upon traffic and requests in real time. Now I am on my X profile and here you can see I have tagged Perplexity right here and then I have my prompt and within 10 minutes the video was ready. This was the result. Remember in all videos I have muted the audio. Free users can make unlimited videos but quality is a little bit lower I would say and the generation time is also more than the Pro and Max subscribers. That's it from today's video. Hopefully you have enjoyed it. If yes, make sure to hit the subscribe and like button and please share this video with the relevant people. If you have any suggestion or feedback for me, make sure to drop that in comments section below. I'm Abel Mishtak signing off. Peace out.